Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing.
Alright y'all, so the first thing y'all need is the ASP 2-in-1 dehydrator or just rubbing alcohol from your local store. And basically the purpose of this product is to dehydrate the nail prior to the gel application. The next thing you need is the ASP Soak-Up Gel Polish Bonder, which is just a fancy word for primer, and again it's just to help the gel polish adhere to the natural nail. Out of everything that you need, the Nail Builder Curing Gel, which is basically your glue, is the most important thing. This is what's going to help adhere the artificial nail to your natural nail. Alright, we're almost done. The next thing you need is the base gel, which is basically to help the gel adhere to the nail, and your top gel, which is help give your nail a glossy finish. For this set, I did use the pink shellac in the color Sugar White. Unfortunately, it is unavailable on Amazon, but I did find an alternative, which is the Medema Gel Nail Polish in the color Milky White. Next you'll need is some gold foil flakes, which I'll show you at the end on how to encapsulate them within the nail. Alright, last three things. All you need is the tweezers that should have came with the foil, a nail brush, and a nail duster. So these are my current nails. I did an ombre yellow set, and this lasted me for about 3.5 weeks. Alright, so here are my natural nails. I already did cuticle work and buffed them off camera. If you like to see how I prep my nails beforehand, I can film a separate video. So now I'm taking the 2-in-1 dehydrator, which again is just alcohol, and I'm going to get a Q-tip and saturate my nails thoroughly with the solution. And it's okay if it gets on the skin because again, it's just alcohol and it's not going to irritate it.
Girl, you want me island team. Beauty now your body gets me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean the rundown.
Next, I'm taking the bonder, which again is just to help adhere the gel to the natural nail, and you only want to apply this on the nail. If any of the solution is to get on the skin too much, it will cause irritation, and unfortunately it may cause an infection.
She said she don't wanna go, bad man's on the floor. People them applause, singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things.
Next, I'm applying a thin layer of the building gel onto my natural nail. I'm going to cure that in my UV lamp for only 10 seconds.
It's feet kills.
Bad man on the instrument, I give it them one time. Baby, yeah.
Done dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire. But
Original bad man.
It's feet kills.
We are on dire.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Want it for me, yeah. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say, I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say, I.
The nail tips that I'll be using are from the brand Beetles. It came with this kit that included 500 pieces of coffin-shaped nails, an innovative UV LED lamp, which helps to apply the nails. And as you can see, the nails are nicely arched, they are strong and durable, and you just want to make sure that when you fit the nail, they fit sidewall to sidewall and that they're not too big. You want to make sure that they fit snug so that the glue can adhere to the nail properly. So here are all my nails lined up and ready for me to use. As you can see, they are scratched or etched up on the inside. That is so that the gel polish has something to stick to. So first step, you're going to get one of the nails and the builder gel. And with the builder gel, you're going to apply a thin layer only on the inside of the artificial nail. Once you are done, you're going to get your UV lamp ready. And with the nail, you're going to slowly place it onto your nail, starting from the cuticle, and press it down firmly until there's no air bubbles. After 60 seconds and applying all the nails, here are all my nails, except for the thumb, which I left so I can show you how to do it again. So with the builder gel, you're going to apply a thin layer onto your natural nail.
It's feet kills.
Then you're going to cure it in your UV lamp for only 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, this is the Melody Susie drill that I'm using, and I'm going to show you how to etch the inside of the nail. With this drill, it is easy to move it forward or backwards and adjust the speed to your liking. So with the sander bit, I'm only going to etch the inside of the nail. This is so that the gel builder has something to stick to. If I was to leave the nail without etching, the gel will not adhere and the nail will pop off immediately. This step is optional, but I'm going to file the cuticle area of the nail so that it is more flush and it would be as though I just walked out of the salon. Now I'm just going to dust all of the dust off so that none of it is in the nail and it won't create any air bubbles. Now I'm going to take the builder gel again and apply a thin layer within the nail. Then I'm gonna get my UV lamp ready. Go ahead and turn it on and slowly place the nail, starting with the cuticle and pressing down firmly until there's no air bubbles. Place it in the UV lamp. As you can see, I'm struggling. And place it in for the UV lamp for only 60 seconds. And after that, your nail should look like this. So I've already started clipping the ends of my nail into the shape that I want to. So I'm just going to take my nail clipper and clip the ends of the nail because I want the nails to be in a stiletto shape.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's feet kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They're pretty about it.
Now this here is my baby. This is the Melody Susie nail dust collector with reusable filter. Now this here is optional since the price is $89.99. However, this thing here will collect all the dust for you in one concentrated area. Without it, you will have dust everywhere with all the filing that you're going to be doing, including the buffing. So with this dust collector, once you turn it on, it's like a vacuum, and it will suck up all the dust into the center there where you see the filter underneath. So right now, I am filing the shape of my nail into the stiletto shape using the coarse side, which I believe is the 180 side. I might be wrong. And I'm not holding the file parallel to my nail. I'm holding the file underneath the nail and applying pressure and angling it at the same time. I know that's a lot, in order to get the shape that I want. And if you need to, like you'll see me do in a second, I'm going to get the nail clipper and clip away a little bit more so that I won't have to file as much. And then I'm gonna go back with my file and continue shaping the nail. Once I like the shape to where I have it, I'm going to go ahead and buff the outside of the nail using the 100 grit. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, because sometimes I get those two confused.
See them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark, she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me.
So here are the nails, all filed, shaped, and buffed. And as you can see, the nails are on there pretty good. And if done correctly, this set should last you about 3.5 weeks to a month. And I have gone longer than that. So now I'm going to take the base gel and apply a thin layer. Then I'm going to cure it in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And this is how the nail looks after 60 seconds. And at this point, you want to be careful because the base gel is a tacky layer. So now I'm going to try explaining this step to the best of my ability. I'm taking the sugar white polish and applying a thin layer. And I want this to be an ombre effect, so I'm not going all the way to the tip of the nail. So I'm just dragging the brush only to midway of the nail so that it can give that gradient effect. And at this point, I'm seeing that I dragged up too much, so I'm just going to take a little bit of alcohol with my nail brush and dab out the excess and just wipe away what I want to take away. Then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And to save y'all some time, this is what the nail looks like after 5 coats of doing those steps. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply a top coat because again, gel polish does have a tacky layer. And if I was to touch anything, there would be nothing but lint or whatever I touch all over that nail. So I'm going to go ahead and preserve my work. So now I'm going in with the base gel and I'm going to apply a thin layer underneath the nail. Once you do that, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to get my gold foil, and this is how we're going to encapsulate the nail. Because again, the base gel is tacky, the gold foil should stick to the nail. So you just place the foil wherever you want. And then this is just another top coat. And I'm going to basically just paint the inside of the nail and try not to move the foil as much. If it does move, it's okay. Once you cure it, it'll stay. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with some cuticle oil. Rub it all in because we just put our hands through some stuff. So this is before. And here are the after. I really love how these nails came out. They're so cute. I will try and insert a picture that I was inspired by, but all in all, I really like these nails. The only thing I would change is adding another layer of the white polish so that the white could be a little bit more opaque, but other than that, these nails came back really, really good, and I'm so in love with them.
Right, wait, bad man feel waste no time. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a monkey. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me,